Hey, I'm Mark. I'm a core engineer here at SharkNinja Battersea, and yeah, welcome to our office tour.
So what do you guys do here at this office?
I solve issues for the consumers. It's making sure that you're constantly asking questions. So this is kind of where our ops team live, some of the workshop team over here, and then we've got some of the advanced development teams over here.
Can we see your desk?
Forgive some of the mess maybe, but I'm right over here with the small jungle going on. I've got a yucca tree that I'm quite proud of. To my side here, we've got the Ninja Test Kitchen. So this is where we hold kind of a lot of chef summits, people coming in to test recipes. Behind these double doors is actually our engineering kitchens. This is where a lot of the prototypes are being made. There's a lot of stuff in here. This is our personal care test lab. We've got more of our AD teams and engineering teams. Behind the safety sign, we've got our workshop, which is for the prototyping. It's also very loud.
What does being outrageously extraordinary mean to you?
Pushing beyond what you think's possible, seeing your limits and then moving past them.
And your favorite product?
It's like asking to pick a favorite child, can't really choose. And we're coming up to our cafe through here, which is where we have lunch. While we're here, I'm gonna grab a snack, but yeah, hopefully see you again sometime.